Hello everyone, how is your day going? In today's presentation, I will discuss an investment that has been changing lives and creating financial freedom for countless individuals. Real estate investing. Have you ever wondered how you can grow your wealth and achieve financial independence? Real estate investing might be the perfect avenue for you. Before I proceed, a quick reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video, and remember to press the notification button. Now let's get started and discuss real estate investing for wealth creation and financial freedom. Real estate investing offers incredible opportunities to build wealth, create passive income, and secure your financial future. What are the 3 reasons why you should invest in real estate? Number 1, real estate investing provides a tangible asset that you can see, touch, manage, and can give you stability and security. Number 2, real estate investing can help you create multiple sources of income. For example, rental income. Number 3, as property values increase over time, you can benefit from capital appreciation, allowing you to build equity and wealth in the long run. Real estate investing can offer you many tax benefits. Governments all over the world provide incentives to real estate investors, including deduction of mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These tax advantages can significantly reduce your taxable income and increase your cash flow and overall financial health. To conclude, real estate investing is a powerful tool for wealth creation and financial freedom. By investing in tangible assets, creating multiple sources of income, and benefiting from various favorable tax advantages, you can take control of your financial life and destiny. Whether you are looking to supplement your income, build your retirement fund, or achieve financial independence, real estate investing can help you to achieve these goals. What are you waiting for? To begin, educate yourself. Start exploring the many opportunities that real estate investing has to offer. It is time to make your dream a reality. Yes, you can do it. I have to stop here for now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video. Until my next presentation, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup and bye for now.